bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa and I am so excited to be showing you how to get this look right here. I'm also going to be reviewing the new Farsali primer serum, the new blue one. If you guys want to see how to get this look right here, let me tell you, we have some expensive products, but you know what? I'm an expensive ass bitch, so I wanted to feel glamorous today. Let's just keep watching. The new Farsali Skintune Blur primer. And the bottle, I feel like, isn't even doing it justice through the camera. It is like green. It's like a sea green. Ugh. You can use with or without makeup. You can use as a blurring and tuning serum after your moisturizer. You can apply it to the T-zone all over the face, or you can use it as a primer before makeup application. So for eyeshadow primer, you see, I'm gonna use this one because this one is just so easy to use. And so for eyes, I'm actually very excited because I haven't gone into this palette in years. Got Forever palette, picking my own shades, and these are the shades that I picked out to fill them out. M664. So I'm going to go in with D850. So that one looks, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to go in with the shade S852. Go in with the shade S800, which is more. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade in D868. Yeah, so when using a color like this, just be mindful that these pigments that are made in like these pigments that are made in the pink and red shadows like this are usually not safe for the eye, and it'll show as a disclaimer that they're not safe for the eye. But does it look like a sister cares? So I actually am going to add a little bit of a purple on the outside. I'm going to take the shade I834, and I'm going to okay, well, ain't nobody told this eyeshadow it can go all the way up there, but I guess that's what we're doing today. Don't mind my hair, it is crazy today. I'm actually gonna move on to my face, so I'm very excited. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Dry as my skin. Now we're gonna go on to the yay baby. A little thicker. Whoa. It smells good. It smells like, I mean, it smells good. It kind of smells like a vegetable. Dior Air Flash, yes honey. Yeah, right now this is actually too light for me, but I love how that looks. I haven't used this in so long. So we're gonna be using Tarte. And some cream bronzer. Soleil Tan de Soleil cream contour. Set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Cupcake. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacob's Coconut Omega Bronzer because it's expensive and I'm going to use it. Under eyes a little bit furthermore with the Studio Fix powder, perfecting powder in the shade NW20. This is gonna brighten on my under eye, add a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna highlight, and I have two highlighters here, both by Christian Dior, because I want to feel expensive today. So the first one that I have is 03 Luminizer, which is more of the goldy one. I don't need the other highlighter, but I'm going to put it on anyway because that's what bitches do. The other Christian Dior highlighter, which is the more nude one. I'm going to be using this limited edition bronzer by Mariah Carey and MAC. This is a bronzer, but I'm going to use it as a blush. So I used the Cleopatra Limecrime Diamond Crushers, a lip liner from MAC called Spice, to line my lips. Okay guys, this is the finished look. How do you guys like it? Let me know down below. Guys, so that is it. That is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. My thoughts on the Farsali primer drops. I really like them. They're really nice and they smooth my skin out really good. I loved my makeup today. I feel glamorous. Alright guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Please make sure that you subscribe and that you hit the notification bell in order to be notified when I post new videos. I hope that my little Bembas have a blessed day.